Okay, so I've removed the cover, so now you can see the microSD slot, and you can also see the microSD USB where we would plug it in to charge it and to connect. So I've done that, but it seems sensible, doesn't it, to use the companion app, because unlike the Insta 360 One X and unlike the Yi, there is no screen on this, so it's quite difficult to know what it's doing. All that you've got is two buttons to tell you whether or not it's filming or taking a photo, which I think is absolutely fine, but I think for the first time using the companion app will be helpful. Open the SD card up. Now, I'm really hoping that it's compatible. It's certainly been compatible with my Yi rough with, because it's just a card. I always wonder why Amazon pack things as they do. This is a tiny SD card, and you can see that it's a fairly chunky box. It's literally got no weight at all to it. For such a big box, when it was delivered, I picked it up and I almost called the delivery man back and said, you know, are you sure there's something in it? But it does confirm, I think it's 0.01 kilograms. To be honest, it doesn't even feel that. But if we open it up, you can see that all that boxing for an SD card that is absolutely tiny. Ultimately, this is the core of it. So we'll just open that and and after that we drop the thing that counts. The thing that counts is in that giant box. The only bit that we're interested in is something that is that small, smaller, in fact, or about the same size as my fingernail, but incredible that they can squeeze 128 gigabytes onto something of this size. If you think, I think my first laptop probably only had about 32 gigabytes of storage in the whole machine, and this is 128. It's incredible, isn't it, that they can fit so much space onto something so tiny. But you really do need it when you're filming 5.7K, because it just consumes and records so much data. So how do we put it in? Now again, there's no real guidance as to which way it goes in. So I guess it'll be trial and error. So there we go, I'm just trying to put it in. So she goes in. Yep, and it clicks. And you can see that seems to be sat in quite nicely. So we've got that like that. We have the charging cable. We need to slide that off. So this at least has been easy. So this is the wire to charge it, and this is typical. They don't give you a plug; you have to use your own. But fortunately, I've got lots of iPhone plugs, which I tend to use. Hopefully, at the right voltage and the right amp. And then this is the side that connects to the camera, which is for the glasses. Through these at the moment. Can I see that one? No. Quite well built. The lenses are really thick lenses on that, and I can start to see through a bit now. Really, really thick. And then you've got the spacer there to ensure it's the optimum distance from the camera, and then that's the clip I assume to go on the phone. Appears to have downloaded. Moment of truth. Fingers crossed. Oh, well, this is promising. So at least we can see something on the app. It's a picture of it. We'd like to use your location. Shall we allow? Yeah, why not? Let's allow. We'd like to send you notifications. I don't think we need those. There we go. Gosh, it's a very vibrant app, isn't it? You can see that. Lots and lots going on. It appears to be showing bullet mode, I think. And we press the power button. 1, 2, 3. So done. And it beeped. Don't know if that's a good beep. It's green. Green was good, wasn't it? I think green means it's over 15%. So that's the camera. And let's just place that down for a second. And then on here, let's click connect via Wi-Fi. Please choose your camera. Imagine that's the camera. I haven't got any other EVOs here. Beep, beep, beep. Please complete the connection. So it's telling me that I have to press the circular button. So let's do that. So let's press the button there. Oh, and then it appears to be looking to sync. Insta360 EVO wants to join the network. So we'll say yes to that. Join. Then we've got a little loading wheel. So hopefully it's doing it. I think we're connected. So no photo exists. Well, we knew that. So let's just click camera mode. So preview screen quality compressed. Wow, and there we go. We've got a picture. We've got a picture there of what it can see. So it can see me, and there we go. But not in 360 mode, I don't think. Now, what will be interesting is whether or not I can put those goggles in front of it and see whether or not how that works. It would low battery, please charge. So okay, well, it's not working for me. But I'll have another go with it in a bit, and hopefully it will work. It looks absurd, and for some reason it's not. As you can see, it's not actually, the video is not filling the whole screen, it's only showing half, so I don't see how that could work anyway, but there we go. I'll have a go at that later, and I think I might also charge it up. Be interesting to see how long it takes. So once I've charged, I'll be back here to show you how we get on. See you in a second.